Rivera. Good evening. I will be talking to you all about youth's role in realizing Society 5.0. You might be wondering, what is Society 5.0? I had never heard of Society 5.0 before, and I thought to myself, wait, our society was categorized in numbers like 1.0, 2.0? So I did some research, and I found out that our evolution in society was put in a category throughout periods. This idea was originally initiated by Japan. So let me explain. Society 1.0, the earliest one, the period when we were still hunting for food and developing how to write. Society 2.0, the agriculture society, when ancient humans have figured out how to farm and grow their own food. Society 3.0, the industrial society, when machines just started being introduced and started helping humans in their daily lives. Society 4.0, the information society, the time when the internet was only used as a source of information at most. And then now we have Society 5.0, where technology and the internet are considered a part of humans and their lives instead of just a place to share information. When you think of a futuristic world in movies where everything is high-tech and grand, you think it will take decades to reach. In reality, this is coming to us at a faster speed than we are expecting. In Society 4.0, the internet and technology just being a place to share information was not enough. Cooperation was still difficult to achieve. Because this society was still built on humans, all the sources and information were still produced and gathered by humans. And we know that us humans have limits on what we can do. That is why Society 5.0 is considered to be a revolution or innovation of all the societies before. Society 5.0 is considered to be a technology-based, human-centered society. What does that mean? It means that this society aims to prioritize our needs and make our lives easier with the help of technology. This means fusing our physical lives with technology help like AI and robots. This process brings a whole new value and ways to make our lives easier that weren't previously possible. It will, for example, free us from the stress of driving and traffic by using autonomous transports. Japan has that system with cars, trains, and buses that are automatic and can safely get the citizens around without a driver. This also impacts our environment by reducing pollution and making more sustainable technology for the environment. It can also give us the latest medical advancements, anywhere, at a low cost, available for everyone with the help of technology. AI and robots will enhance human abilities, making it easier for us to explore our infinite capabilities. And these are just some of the examples of the improvements we will have in Society 5.0. Even now, we can't live without technology or the internet, right? We as a society need to take this to our advantage, especially youths. With everything and any information within the click of our fingertips, easy mobility, education, and medical care, we need to realize that this is the society that we live in and is going to develop more through time. Imagine what it will be like in the future years when we're older, how advanced it will be. So, what are the things that we can do as youths in this Society 5.0? Well, first off, education. It's one of the biggest parts of our lives. We can learn from the internet without spending anything, anytime, from the comfort of our house. With AI, we can ask anything and it will give us a list of complete information gathered from the internet. Exploring new possibilities of career, education with the information on the internet, even getting new education opportunities like winning competitions and scholarships you find online is so easy now. You can even get jobs if you're underage with a decent income without having to go out of the house, like making templates for a company or just working at home in general. And these are just some of the things you can take advantage of as a youth living in Society 5.0. It benefits everyone and discards the limitations we have regardless of age, gender, and even economic differences. But then again, with all the positive changes and opportunities that come with Society 5.0, there's always a negative effect that comes with it. With the advanced technology we have, people can use that to do bad things. Cybercrime rates can start rising, like hacking, cyberbullying. And with the amount of time that people spend on their technology, they will start being less productive and creative because they have AI and robots to do things for them now. Even though the main purpose of this society is to make it human-centered and help make our lives easier, this can also make humans be too dependent on technology and make them think that they don't need to develop skills like, for example, writing, because they have AI to do that for them. Even now, we have AI that's called ChatGPT. You can ask it to make, for example, an essay about space, and it'll give you a list of complete information in an essay form about space. And it makes us think that we don't need to learn about a certain skill set because why not we just ask AI to do that for us? That is why it all comes down to yourself. Would you let yourself be consumed and dependent on technology, or will you use that technology advancement to improve and better yourself? As youths, we're still young, but we can start making changes in our mindset to take advantage of Society 5.0 for the better instead of the worse. Society 5.0 is powerful, with advanced technology and robots. So it all comes down to you, whether you want to let it control you, or you control it and turn it into something greater. It's time we start realizing that we live in a society where everything and anything is possible with the help of technology, and to take advantage of that to the fullest. We are the youth of this nation, and we can make a change. It starts from every one of us. So that is all for my speech. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.